Hi everybody, welcome to Living Like Larry YouTube channel. I'm Larry, and today we're going to talk about Detroit Coney dogs. There is an ongoing war here on who has the best Detroit Coney dog. Actually, they stake claim to the originator of the Coney dog. New York has their hot dog, they did come up with that, but Detroit has claimed, supposedly, to the first Coney dog. And today we're going at the best. We have American Coney Island and Lafayette Coney Island. Surprisingly located right next door to each other. There's a story to this. In 1903, Gus Kiros came over from Greece to Detroit, opened up a hot dog stand on the corner there on Lafayette Boulevard Avenue. In 1917, he opened a permanent structure store right there in Detroit, same place he had his hot dog stand. Had his brother Bill helping out. Might have been a family spat, I'm not sure. There's so many versions of this. But his brother Bill went right next door, opened up Lafayette Coney Island. I said right next door. Very similar, but supposedly very different. Right now, Lafayette is not owned by the family, original family. I believe Bill, story has it, gave it to his employees. Maybe he was bought out. Different versions again. American Coney Island, still owned by the family and operated. So, different recipes on the Coney sauce. Let's look at these Coneys. Americans expanded to the Detroit Zoo, even to Vegas now. Have a website. I don't believe Lafayette does. And I can tell you that they were both very busy doing well when we swung by there to get my Coney dogs. I had to swing around the block like 3 times to get a parking spot. There was people parking in the street and running in to get their Coney dogs, so they're doing well. But let's see who's best, in my opinion. Here we go. Let's check these out. Here we go. Take out American Coney Island white bag. Lots of napkins. Coney dog. Fork. And ketchup. I don't know. White bag for American. Get that over here. Lafayette, Coney Island, in Detroit, right next door. Got the Coney dog. And again, lots of napkins. No fork. Let's do this. Okay. Both these places, like I said, I think they get them made locally at their hot dogs at Dearborn Sausage Company, locally in Detroit. Steamed fresh buns that are made locally in Detroit. So this is a local company. So let's open these up. See what we got. Put my camera down here. Let's look at American. Okay. I know they use sweet Vidalia onions. First they coat it with the sauce, some mustard, and then Vidalia onions on a very soft steamed fresh bun. Lafayette, very similar, but got the sauce coated with mustard, onion, and I believe they use a Spanish onion, a little bit more spicier than the Vidalia sweet onion that American uses. But look at that, both very good looking Coney dogs. Again, from Dearborn Sausage Company in Detroit. So let's try these out. My first try, I'm going to try American Coney Island. And before I start with this, my wife and daughter already tried these. My daughter preferred American. My wife said Lafayette was by far maybe her favorite Coney dog ever, slightly over American. Let's see how these are. American's got a nice, okay, good. Here we go. Very good. The hot dog itself had a nice casing on it. Nice little bite to it, or a snap to the casing. Delicious. Not super spicy. Very good Coney dog. Now, let's try Lafayette. Dog looks a little bit different on the side, kind of like it was linked, different than him. Looks like bigger onion chunks on it than the American dog, like the Spanish onions. Oh, that's good. Sauce seems a little bit thicker, a little bit more beefier. Both delicious. Very similar. I think the Lafayette is a little bit thicker, more beefier sauce. Onions give it a little bit more flavor. This is more sweet. Both very good. But wash this down with some Mountain Dew. And I said I'm the tiebreaker in the family here. And that hot dog at Lafayette had a nice little snap to it as well. Like I said, both made at Dearborn Sausage Factory. Very good. So after trying these, my vote ever so slightly is going to have to go to Lafayette Coney Island, which I favor a little bit thicker sauce than the runnier sauce, and that might do it. And I like the flavor of the onions better, so, than the sweet. Both good. So actually, if you're going to Detroit, do like I did. Go try both places. They're right next door to each other. I mean, it literally takes like 2 minutes to get your order and get out of there. American has a nice seating area. Lafayette's a little bit smaller. American also offers not only your regular drinks, but they have I believe they offer some beer from local breweries, as well as your normal domestic beer. Wow, both really good. I can't tell you not to go to either one. But my favorite would be Lafayette. Like I said, I like the thicker sauce, more beefier sauce, and that could do it for me. You can't go wrong with either one. Thanks for watching Living Like Larry channel. If you're in Detroit, go check these places out. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my videos a lot, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you all kinds of places, all kinds of food reviews, as seen on TV. Both these places were shown on, Adam visited there on Man vs. Food. Food Wars was there. Food Network's been there. Like I said, this has been an ongoing battle for a century on the best Coney dog in Detroit. And the original Coney dog in American, or the spinoff in Lafayette. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. So, in celebration of Lafayette, or yeah, Lafayette, my choice, they get this. The call globe, very complicated to do. Thanks for watching.